Hi there, today I'm gonna make an amazing poster like this and explain everything how to do and what to do. So, first of all, we will create a new project. Most of the time, this type of images used on Facebook or Instagram. So I'll make a square to make it match for all platforms. Now we have a blank white layer. So I'm gonna drag the main image that I have chosen for the poster. And this is the image, but now we have to cut it out. I have already separated from the background using pen tool, and if you don't know how to use pen tool for background separation, just search on the YouTube and you will find a lot of videos out there. Place it on the right position. I will put all the source images in the description, so if you want to practice, just download from there. Now it's time to do some adjustment, and here I'm using camera raw. You can use whatever you want, like level or curve. Let's make some shadow for the subject, because shadow is very important. I'll add some text on it and align them perfectly. I'll put the text behind the subject, and then I'm going to add a border around the text. The border is not showing because it is white and the background is also white, so I'm going to change the background to a gradient. After adding a nice and cool background, I think it's time to clear the border from the text area. Now finally, the name of our subject. I'm going to use a different font for this one. I want a nice green grass field under the subject because it brings some real life vibe, I think, and some flying peppers for the top. And then an image of a gray cloud to make a smoky. Finally, add my signature on it. By the way, at the end, I decided to change the blend mode for our cloudy layer, so I changed it to hard light and it's look more dramatic. So, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, do subscribe and don't forget to comment.